Sir Joseph, every school year nag-administer kami ng assessment, katulad ng Rapid Mathematics Assessment o RMA. Paano po kaya namin i-interpret ang mga results upang malaman kung anong support ang kailangan ng aming learners?
So, paano natin masusulit ang assessments like RMA? First, let's remember, assessment is evidence. It will help us support our learners better by answering 3 important questions. Number 1, anong math topics na ang alam ng ating learners? Number 2, ano-ano ang mga kaya nang gawin ng ating learners? At number 3, ano-anong math topics ang kailangan pang tutukan sa kanila? In other words, these assessments are your guide to understand where your learners are and where they should be. For example, in a grade 2 RMA item, a learner may be asked to identify numbers such as 3, 7, and 5. If the learner is shown the number 5 but cannot identify it yet, we do not immediately conclude, mahina siya sa math. Instead, we treat the response as evidence and ask, anong specific math topic ang kailangan kong tutukan upang mas matulungan ko ang aking mga learners? In this case, the challenge may be number identification, which is part of developing number sense. Anong pwede nating gawin, mga teachers? We can support the learner through the CPA approach: concrete, pictorial, abstract. Start with concrete materials. Count 5 blocks. Then move to pictorial representation. Point to the picture with 5 objects. Then, go to the abstract symbol. This is the numeral 5. Dahan-dahan, we help the learner connect quantity, picture, and symbol. Together, these experiences help the learner build a deeper understanding of what the number means and how it can be represented in different ways. And teachers, this is just one example. Assessment tools like RMA help us teach more intentionally, to know which skills to prioritize, and determine what kind of support to provide based on where our learners are. Join us in the ARAL series, Strengthening Math Remediation Strategies on May 20, 21, and 22, 2026. Pag-usapan natin ng mga remediation strategies at practices ng mga gamit natin to help our learners. Register now using the link in the caption or scan this QR code. See you there, mga kakolab!